Yes, hi everyone. I'm Jason, Assistant Professor, Computer Science and Technology Department of SNS College of Engineering. Today we discuss about the UDP protocol. So the UDP protocols are comes under transport layer. So the transport layer connect main two protocols are the TCP as well as the UDP. Last video we discussed about the TCP, but this video we discuss about the UDP protocol. So the TCP is a connection oriented. UDP is a connectionless protocol. So what's the main difference between TCP and UDP means? In the TCP, before data transfer, it establishes a connection. In UDP, before data transfer, no need to establish a connection. This is the main difference between the UDP as well as the TCP. So where it is used? So TCP are mostly used in the for phone communications as well as the this communications, Google Meet, everything, because at the same time you have to communications. So establish connection only after data transfer. Here there is no data transfer. Okay. So UDP not just like that. If you are sending a data, it use the path and it to reach the destination. Okay. So UDP helps us to establish a low latency and low tolerability connection with the network. So both are process to process communications. So transport layer mainly process to process communication. So what's called the process? Between the data and data. Data and data. That's not a node to node, and that's not host to host. Data and data. So here you have to see the flow of UDP across the internet with a time-sensitive transmission, such as video playback. So in UDP there is no established connection before data transmission. So that's a connectionless, no handshake. Handshake means synchronization. Establish a connection. If it is established connection, you have to shake hand, request acknowledgement. Everything's there. So no retransmission. If any data loss or any data corrupted, no retransmissions. Next, no windowing. So such packets of data are sent during the time slot. So here there is no windowing. Next, unlabeled. So unlabeled means there's no label communications. We are not able to acknowledge if the data reached the destinations, everything. Maybe sent or maybe or not. Low delay. Maybe it is of course a delay. Everything. Next is the protocol format. UDP. So this is a basic diagram. Source port address, destination port address, length of the data, and checksum. So here the checksum used for the error reporting only purpose. If there is any error, it is reporting. Yes. And then UDP is depend on IP and ICMP. IP means Internet Protocol, ICMP means the Internet Control Message Protocol. That's control is the if anything is error occurred, it will be reporting but not retransmitting. Transmission is not there in the UDP. So these are the basics. Now we have to know what is called as the source port address. Source port is a 2-bit long field used to identify the port number. Destination port is a 2-bit long field used to identify the port of the destination packet. Length is the length of UDP, it is header of the data. Checksum is 2-bit long field, it is 16-bit complement of the ones complement sum of UDP header. The header of information from the IP header and the data paddings. So it will be a virtual packet data comes under this package. So UDP you have to sending a this main example for UDP. You're sending a mail or you're sending a WhatsApp message, whether they reach or not. But no, both sender and the receiver is not in the live positions. If we reach the destination, if we have to go to the destination, it's also possible. So these are the UDP protocols. Well, okay, thank you. Next we have to see the some function of the transport layer in the next video. Okay, thank you.